So in order to first understand a 401k plan and where it came from, we got to take a little trip down memory lane. So the 401k actually is the IRS revenue code. Before 1978, we did not have a 401k. Congress actually authorized a study to see if these plans would be beneficial for employees. So in 1978, they created the Revenue Act, and part of that created what we now know as the 401k. Even though the Revenue Act created the 401k in 1978, it still didn't really get recognized until about 1980 when people started to look at these and decide, hey, as a company, this is going to be more beneficial for us as it is less cost than the traditional pension plans that we all know are few and far between today. So the 401k is an employer-sponsored plan. It is not in itself an account. A 401k is offered by your employer as a plan for your retirement. Now, the benefits of that plan is that, one, you get to put in money pre-tax. So you get a paycheck. Before they take out the taxes, they'll put in your contribution for your retirement. And your employer has the opportunity to match that contribution up to a certain percentage. Now, the money also grows tax deferred. So what that means is you put money in, you don't pay taxes on it. It grows over time. And then when you draw the money out, that's when you pay taxes. Ideally, you should be in a lower tax bracket. That was the initial plan anyway. Originally, 401ks had very high limits. You could put in 25% of your salary into a 401k. Those have since come down, and now we have contribution limits which change on a year-to-year basis. And based on your age, if you're 50 or older, you can do what is called a catch-up contribution. So it's significantly lower the amount you can contribute or percentage you can put into your 401k, but it's still a significant way to save for your retirement. Some of you may have heard me say 401ks are from employer-sponsored plans. Well, if you're saying to yourself, well, I'm self-employed. Hold on. The Tax Relief Reconciliation Act of 2001 made 401ks more accessible to people who are sole proprietors or self-employed. So you can have what is called the solo 401k. So to fully understand in what we discussed today, basically a 401k is an employer-sponsored plan. The 401k numbers and letters, the alphanumeric numbers, represent the Internal Revenue Code. So that's the IRS code that they use to define this type of retirement plan. And you can contribute to a 401k, which is a pre-tax contribution. You can grow your money for 10, 20, 30 years without paying any taxes on the money or the growth of that money. And when you take the money out of the account, you do have to pay taxes at your current income levels. So you want to be mindful when it comes to withdrawal. Thank you so much for joining us here at Money Talks. I'm Roderick Jefferson, financial advisor, here to help you with everyday financial topics. If you haven't subscribed, hit that button and come back and see us.